Hello.
Great Giza Pyramid, the Subterranean section. This is a not to scale model of it. You can see this is my water inlet. It is much more efficient than the model I had the other day. You can see a little bit of a leak there, and I have a little bit of a leak here, and there's some coming out here. I know I have a little air hole there and an air hole here, which you will see more evident as soon as I make this machine run. If I push a little bit of pressure there, you can see, well, there's the air hole I was talking about. You can see how the system is much more of a tub than it was before. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn this aerator on, and I should have had this set up first. I got to turn the aerator down a bit, otherwise it completely floods the system. Okay, here we go. Okay, that would be the hydrogen, and you can see that it's bubbling into here before it bubbles over this way. That's because this is slightly lower than that, and hence the gas that would be higher would bubble that way. Now once this fills up, which in my model it won't actually do because I have a hole up there as well as the hole right here, I'm going to let this out so it floods it a lot more. And when I do that, you can see as soon as it fills up, it starts to play a little bit nicer. Here we go. We're getting it almost full right there. Well, before I was able to get a little bit better, but you can see here we're getting a bunch of bubbles, and I can feel in my fingers the pulses of this water. And you can't see it right. Well, you can. You can see the little bit of the bubbles. Let me move the... That's the hose that goes to the simulated oxygen, but I can't blow and hold a camera at the same time. You can see the water flow, although this is not quite the same as it would be in the actual chamber where it would continue up. But there is a flow that comes down across the bottom, and I'm fairly certain that when we build a bigger model, we'll still maintain that same flow. And anyway, we'll get into exactly what it's doing when I learn more, or as we get better models. I get better models. Thank you, and please stay tuned.